One of the questions some people ask is, what do you do during the off-cut season? Cut on Lawn Care family. This is Darian from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care, coming to you all the way from Conyers, Georgia. So show you some of our work that we're closing out today. One of the questions some people ask is, what do you do during the off-cut season? Well, one thing we do is to keep ourselves cutting is, get some commercial accounts. This is a commercial customer of ours right here, American Car Center. And the great thing about getting a commercial account, if they open up other lots and get other commercial properties, you can be one of the first in line to try to put your bid in to see if you can take on that account too. So then you can end up multiplying your accounts. So we have this lot here because we took on one of the other accounts that was right in our cut area. So that's great to stay cutting during the off-cut season. And what's great is it's a beautiful mid-December day. So you can't ask for nothing more when you get a great winter, the season, not winter, it's almost winter day during the off-cut season to be able to get out here and do some cutting. So, first I want you to take a look at the before pics of what it was that we did here so that I can walk you through what we did to conclude. welcome back, lawn care family. Once again, this is Darian out of Conyers, Georgia, and I just want to kind of show you a little bit what we did to get this commercial property and lot all cleaned up. If you can take a look right here at our street view, all that's right there has been cleaned up. And if you remember, there was a fence there, if you saw in the picture, and before we got to cutting, they removed the fence, so that made it very exciting for me when I saw that, because I thought I was gonna have to push mow that little bitty thick space. But they took it down, so I was able to ride my mower right on over there, and it was just smooth sailing. As you can see, our lot that had a lot of weeds growing up through the cracks, we took care of all of that. We had a fence over here. If you can see our fence line over here, where a lot of vines were going through that. We took that all down and chopped that up and disposed of that. And now we have a lot ready for them to be able to put their cars on the lot to be able to sell to their customers, and hopefully they can do really well and open up some more, and then we can get those commercial accounts as well. As you can see, I got one of my guys over here. He's closing out. He's on the blower, blowing a lot out, putting on some of the last finished touches so that we can be able to close out this day, because we're gonna finish this today so we don't have to come back. And once again, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. We thank you for tuning in to our videos and checking us out. And once again, this is Darian with Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care out of Conyers, Georgia. Cutting off, lawn care family. Cutting off, and I'm about to cut out. Later.